back. So I got the video because I haven't doing this. Oh, I just picture. So is the kalat thing. So we're just gonna organize. Do you notice that a vending machine do this and grab it? It's so hard with one hand. Yeah, I hate it. I love it but hate it. No. We're just gonna put it in here. Bumaba! Bumaba! Next, the CCTV. That's the kitchen. Yes! I really love to open that surprise. And I hate. I only get white. Needle and some decoration crystals. I got this. I got this in SM. So, nawala yung ganito ko. Another. A fake needles. Don't think about that. That is a needle, cause that's not a needle. Now, let's ASMR. Wait. So first we're gonna open is I hate it. Yeah, it's a squishy dumpling. Sorry, I sneezed. Okay, you want to open it right now? Yeah. But others want to open it. That's not a candy. Okay, I'm back.